Hi, my name is Brian Rayner, the owner of Grease Monkey Garage Door. This is what you can expect when you hire us. We build and install our doors to last. We provide premium commercial grade hardware on every door. We provide complimentary trim with no upcharge. Caulk and fill stucco as needed. Offer you 3 options for service work and door construction, and provide a 1-year service and labor warranty with a 5-year parts warranty, and even a 10-year panel warranty on select doors. And we also offer painting services for the garage door. We promise to leave your garage cleaner than when we first got there. Give us a call at 480-569-8367 for your free at-home consultation. Grease Monkey Garage Door, repairs done right.